Adobe Photoshop is a powerful application for almost any kind of image editing and creating high-quality graphics. Photoshop has so many features that it may be used professionally to edit photos or graphics. This lesson will help you to understand the most basic and essential Photoshop skills. The Photoshop workspace. Let us become familiar with the different parts of the Photoshop interface. Click on Photoshop icon or click on Start and then All Apps. Select Adobe Web Premium CS3. Select Adobe Photoshop CS3. The Photoshop default workspace appears. Photoshop displays the main menu at the top. Below the main menu in the Options bar, with the Tools panel on the left, other panels, and one or more document windows that are open separately. The main menu organizes commands in individual menus. Like File menu lets you to open, save files, etc. The Image menu allows you to make various adjustments, and the Filter menu gives you access to more advanced tools and effects. The Options bar displays options for the currently selected tool and the Workspace Picture menu. The Document window displays the file you're working on. At the top of the document window, you can see the file name along with the current zoom level. The Tools panel contains tools for creating and editing images, artwork, page elements, and so on. Related tools are grouped together. Panels help you to monitor and modify your work. For example, the Layers panel and Color panel, which provides context-sensitive tools to make quick updates. Creating a new Photoshop document. If you want to define your own document size, resolution, color mode, and background contents, you can do so by creating a new Photoshop document. To create a new Photoshop document, select File and then New. The new Photoshop document dialog box appears with options for your file. Type a name and values for the width and height of the canvas. Type a value for resolution. Choose a setting for color mode. Color mode determines which color method is used to display and print the image you're working on. You can choose from RGB, red, green, blue, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, lab color, and grayscale. Choose a setting for background contents. You can choose to use a white, transparent, or specific color background behind your image. At the bottom of the window, notice the file size information changes as you adjust the settings for the new file. Click OK. The new file opens in the image window. You can start working on it. Saving a Photoshop document. Keep saving your document while editing any image, and finally after finishing your work. To save a file for the first time, do this. Select File and then Save As. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save your file. Type file name and click Save button. Once you saved a new file giving some name, you can open and edit it anytime and again save the work clicking on File and then Save. The file name extension used to save Photoshop document is .psd. Closing image file. To close the image file, choose File and then Close or click the Close button on the title bar of the window in which the photograph appears. Opening files in Photoshop. Photoshop allows you to open and edit existing image files such as .jpg or .png files as well as .psd files. Those are Photoshop document. To open a file using File menu, select File and then Open. A dialog box will appear. Locate and select the file on your computer, then click Open. The file will appear in Photoshop. Or locate and right-click on the file and choose Adobe Photoshop in Open with menu.